Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all your reposts on TikTok. So if your repost section is full of videos you don't want anymore, follow along step by step to clean it up. All right, let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now go straight to your profile page. That's the icon at the bottom right. Next, go to your reposts section, and this will show you all the videos you've reposted on TikTok. Now, there are two different ways to remove reposts, depending on what you want to do. Let's start with the first method. Open the reposted video that you want to remove. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. After that, you'll see an option called Remove Repost. Just tap on it, and that repost will instantly be removed from your profile. Now, keep in mind, this first method only works if you want to delete reposts one by one. If you want to try removing all reposts at once, here's the second method. Go back to your profile page, then tap on the menu icon in the top corner. From there, open Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Help Center. Inside the Help Center, you'll see different support options for your account. Now go to the Account section. Then tap on See More. After that, select Manage Account. Now tap on Chat with Us. Once the chat opens, simply send a message asking TikTok support to completely remove all your reposts at once. After that, TikTok support will take care of it and delete all your reposted videos for you. And that's it. While there's no direct button to instantly clear all reposts, this is the official way to get it done through support.